Hello and welcome back. We're gonna do some unboxing this morning. Okay, so this is DF64 Gen 2. All right. By the way, so I have a couple DF64 here. Before we start, all right. Before we start, so this is a DF64 kind of like original. Okay, everybody loves DF64P. Have you guys heard about the DF64P? Okay, about to open up DF64 version 2. Okay, version 2 here. Try to open this here. Okay, it looks pretty good. Dosing cup is metal, kind of like aluminum there. Or even bellow is even nicer. Goodness, bellow is even nicer than one before. Okay, so there's older bellow. The new ones are a lot more slicker. All right, has a nice wooden cap on the top. Let's go right there. Looks pretty sharp, clean look. Dual dosing ring with your port filter. So what's difference here? Okay, that comes with this color as well. This is all metal with the numbers. Yeah, very similar to DF64, DF83, but a little bit more refined there as well. Okay, that comes with a popcorn stopper as well, popcorn stopper. Very clever, guys. This is a well thought out design. I'm pretty impressed so far. Yeah, well thought out design there. Very clean look. Okay, so this is the dial. Yeah. All right. Okay, so they're using the wave spring, just like DF83 as well. A lot more cleaner, yeah, cleaner design. Okay, pretty solid. The motor sounds strong, guys. Yeah. They're pretty solid. Okay. And you know what? Guess what? The price is right too. If you go to Joe's website right now, he is selling for, how much is it? 400 bucks. Okay. $400. Let's start with DF64P. Okay. DF64P. Okay, you see that a lot of static. All right. Okay. And then let's go with DF64 version 2. Man, it does work. Oh yeah. So yeah, plasma generator actually does work there, isn't it? Not bad. Not bad at all. We're gonna do 3 shots in a row. Man, I'm telling you, this is legit. Okay, because that's first shot. All right, looks very clean compared to P64. There's no comparison. All right, there's nothing on the side as well. So let's do one more. Okay. Not that bad either. Okay, second shot. Pretty clean as well. Again, works good. Okay. Works really good. Yeah, very fluffy. A lot of improvement from previous. Okay. With the Gen 1. I'm just gonna do, yeah, again, very fluffy. You, oh yeah, much better there. Man, very thick crema. That's the great thing about the dark roast. Pretty good.